We're trying to figure out the value of x, and the key word here is and. And means intersection, and I'll talk more about that in a minute. Let's look at this first equation on the left-hand side. How do you multiply two things together and get 0? How do you multiply two things together and get 0? Well, one of them would have to be 0. Either x equals 0 or 2x plus 1 equals 0. So solve this equation. 2x equals -1, x equals -1/2. So I've got x equals 0. I'm going to put them in a set. Solution of 0 and -1/2 for the equation on the left. And here, same thing. One of these would have to be 0, so set them equal to 0. So that gives me x equals -1/2, 2x equals 3, x equals 3/2. And the key word is and if you're also the symbol that means intersection or and is an upside down U. So over here on the right I have a -1/2 and a 3/2. So take the intersection between this and this set. In other words, what's in common between the two? And the only thing in common between the two is -1/2. And that's your answer.